Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to create contours in QGIS and export it into Rhino. There is a website, it's called Autocad and Info. You can see the link here, and here you can see there is a bunch of squares in the board map, and we are able to download the topography in any region in this website for free. So in order to download the contours of any particular area in the here we just need to go to left side toolbar on downloads and select SRTM contours as SHP. Okay, now we can choose any area, and in this case I'm gonna choose an area in Melbourne. For example, somewhere like here. By clicking on Shift and draw a square, we can zoom in. And in order to select the area, you just need to click on Control on keyboard and draw a box or rectangle here on the board map. After opening this dialog box, here we can see our data ready to download, and we just need to click on it. Here we can see our zip file. We are gonna open it. Okay, yep, it's a zip file, so we just need to extract it here. And after that, we can see this shape file. The only thing that we need to do is click on it and drag it into QGIS canvas. Okay, yeah, so we can see almost high resolution topography, and this saves lots of time for us. Now the only thing that we need to do is set up the coordinate reference system. For that we go to the bottom right hand corner left. So for Melbourne we use GDA 2020 NGA Zone 55. I already downloaded, but if you can't see here, you can search it in filter box. Okay, and click on it and click on apply. Okay, here we go. After that we need to save this layer as a shape file. So in order to do that, we right click on our layer, we go to export and click on save feature as. Here the format says already on shape file. We can under the browser we can choose the area that we want to save our folder, and I already make the folder here. Just click on it. For example, I'm gonna save our file here in grass folder. Save. File name. Save the file, and just make sure to set the CRS on the Melbourne zone, and that's it. We can click on OK and scan OK. And we can see the new layer. We can switch off the previous one, and in order to be more clear, we can change the color into black. So in order to do that, we can go to properties, and in properties under the symbology we can change the color into black. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Next thing I want to do is giving this layer elevation, and for that we need to use one of the plugins in QGIS called Grass. So on top menu bar we go to plugins, on manage and install plugins. It takes a little bit time to open the actual window. Okay, here on the box, in this box we can just search grass. Here we select on grass 8, and because this is the core plugin, we don't need to install it, so we just need to close it. And after that we go again back to plugins. Here we can see the grass icon, and now we just need to open open new map sets. Here we are gonna again browse and navigate the area that we want to save our file. For example, here in grass, I'm gonna open the new folder and name it grass 2, for example, and select the folder, click on next, and in create new location we can just write grass, next, and set the CRS, click on it and click on next, and here we can name our new layer like grass, contours, lines, and click on next. That's it. Now we just need to click on finish. Okay, and here it's time to open the grass tools. In order to do that, we go back to plugins, grass, and open grass tools. We can see the window here, and we click on create new grass location. Underneath of it, create new grass location from vector data, and just click on v.in.ogr. Okay, select our final layer, the last layer, sorry, and here in the name for output vector we can name it, for example, vector contours, and then after, the only thing that we need to do is click on run. Our file successfully finished, and we just click on view output to see the new layer. We switch off our previous layer and close it. Here again under the module, this time we go to vector, develop map, and here we select convert 2D vector to 3D and click on the last item. And here we just need to select our latest layer, which is vector contours. And here we are gonna name it anything, but for example, I'm gonna name it imported contour lines. And under the column with height value, we set it as elevation. and click on Run. You just need it. And fortunately, our file successfully finished. Click on View Output to open the new layer and close it. That's it. Okay, so now we can export our final layer into AutoCAD readable file, or it's better to say DXF file. So in order to do that, we go to top menu bar, project, import and export, and we just need to select on export project to DXF. Here we can navigate area that we want to save our file. For example, I already make a file, new folder for it, and name it DFX. And for the file name, I save it as DFX contour lines and save it. Okay, just make sure CRS set on Melbourne zone, and underneath of the layer we are just gonna choose our latest layer, which is imported contour lines, and click on OK. It might take a little bit time to save the file. And here we already opened the Rhino file, so we go to Rhino. Okay, and here under the file, we are going to just import our DFX saved file. Here we can see it. Open it. Okay. Okay, now we can see our contours in a perfect shape. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Cheers!